Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Change engine oil every 6,000 miles or 6 months using 0W20 synthetic, about 4.8 quarts. This keeps the turbo and piston rings clean and preserves fuel economy. Check oil level weekly with the dipstick before driving, topping to the full mark on cold fill. Rotate tires every 6,000 miles and maintain 32 SI front and rear to balance wear. Inspect oil filter at each change and use Subaru-approved parts. Record date, mileage, oil brand, and viscosity in your maintenance log for resale or warranty needs. Replace engine air filter every 30,000 miles or sooner in dusty conditions to protect mass airflow and fuel economy. Swap cabin filter every 15,000 miles to keep HVAC airflow healthy and reduce pollen. Flush coolant every 60,000 miles and use Subaru-approved coolant to avoid corrosion in the aluminum heads and heater core. Replace brake fluid every 2 years to prevent moisture buildup and spongy brakes. Bleed to clear air. Inspect pads and rotors. Replace pads at 3 to 4 mm remaining thickness. Test battery at year 3 and replace if voltage drops below 12.4 volts or if starting slows. Clean terminals and apply dielectric grease. Inspect drive belts and CV boots at 60,000 miles for cracks or leaks and replace belts if glazing or fraying appears. Check tire tread depth regularly and replace tires when tread reaches 4/32 inches for safe wet traction. Align wheels annually or after a strong impact to prevent uneven wear. Keep a dated maintenance log with mileage and receipts after every service for trend tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.